Look after these um, bulbs, hyacinth bulb, and they are the woodstock. This is the one that second time I opened this now, or third time, because they supposed to be the tree bulbs. So how you look after them? So after I've been planting them from the fridge, that you have to make them in the fridge like 6 weeks. Yeah, one month and a half. You put this in the fridge to make them like a fake cold weather, so they're gonna flower for you. So what happened with this hyacinth woodstock? So I've got 3 bulbs sent by the reputable company here in Australia. So I planted this last May 28th. That was Sunday. It's a woodstock. So what happened, I found this last month, or 3 weeks ago, say 3 weeks ago. The one bulb is kind of a lot of insects going on it, that was in the side. So I decided to check them, and then I found out it's really rotten bulbs. And this one, thank God, is not rotten. Only one is rotten, but this I'm concerned with this because it's yellowing. I'm not sure if it's normal or not, but I could see there is a flower. I just give you zoom, guys. There's a flower going on here, but this bulb is flowers is smaller, see, and then the bulbs is already flowering, see, and I'm waiting for that to grow. So there you go. There, that's a flower for our hyacinth. So how do you come back now, and then we succeed removing this, some of this glue here. I throw already, guys, the other bulbs from last time that has been, playing up. And this one, I noticed it's really slow kind of bulb. This woodstock hyacinth is kind of very slow and sensitive one compared to the hyacinth purple and the pink. They are growing well, actually. This one is number one of my problem. And yeah, anyway, guys, it's yellow, but actually there's a flower inside. So I could see the bulb is nice and plump, and it's not squishy and rotten and smelly. So I could see nothing happened to her, so I'm happy for that. So now I'm going to get this. So here it is, guys. I put the soil already, so we have to taking care of this. So it's very important, I reckon, to check your bulbs, hyacinth bulb, or any kind of bulbs that you want to grow in your plants, to your pots like this terracotta. So I inspect this. So this, as you can see, this beautiful healthy roots, and the bulbs, nothing squishy on them. So there's roots everywhere. So that's gonna go in the media. So in this media, so by the way, that's the soil that I removed that from this. So this media that I make, it's made from coco coir. It's easy and lighter and not heavier like this one. So this one is mix of compost, the premium potting mix soil, and a little bit of chook manure, and a little bit of blood and bone. But this time, since already nice and growing, we'll mix it together a little bit, so it's not very heavy. I reckon the coco coir or coconut fiber here is the best for it. So it's also got nutrients on it that I mixed, so it's not heavy in the water and everything. So it's gonna do that, guys. So that's how I taking care of this matter here. So when you give him some water, you only give him only sprinkle from the water bottle. Especially when you get coco coir here or coconut fiber, they can like retain water a lot. So don't give them too much unless they're really growing nicely and a lot of roots like this. Even so, don't water them so much because it's freezing weather. And this hyacinth, they really love cold weather. Without the freezing weather, they don't give you any flowers. That's important if you're in the country where there is no snowing or not freezing snow. So you have to make a fake weather for them, like cold ice weather inside your fridge. Hence the instruction, you have to put this in the fridge to create a fake wintry weather. By doing that, you give them nice flowers, and when the times when the season come, which is now. So it's still nice and winter here, but the weather is kind of really funny. 3 days ago, or just even now, the weather is hot in the daytime, and then in the night is still you feeling hot. Not super hot like sweating, it's just uncomfortable, like a muggy, less muggy than the summer, but it's still every now and then there is a cold weather snap, like really cold. Yeah, but supposed to be the weather is super winter and really freezing, but not like that anymore. Anyway, we come back to this, guys. Here it is. That's how I look after this stuff now. We'll see. I'll update to you again in a few days. It's been, I planned this actually, guys, April, not May. That was May 20, sorry, that was April 28. So April, May, June. So that was 2 months ago that I planting this. April, May, June. Yeah, it was 2 months ago that I planting this, and the rest of the hyacinth, like pink color, it's really doing really well. But this wood stock, it's kind of wood stock and stuck in here, and one of them are, one bulb is very rotten, so I removed them and chucked them last week ago, and here I'm again, week later or so. I open it and then I'm looking at it, why they are very slow. But the bulbs is good, nothing wrong with the bulb, so I don't have to worry about that. Maybe that's the way it is with this kind of variety of hyacinth. The rest is really well. I'll show you the other one or two of them at the moment. Cheers, guys, and I'll see you in the next episode for taking care of this hyacinth bulb, the woodstock one. Probably next time. I hope the bulbs will still stay with me forever, because I'm really happy if you do. Alright, guys, that's it for that, and I'm sure the next episode my pink hyacinth, and the other one is purple. The purple one, I got a little bit problem with it. The same thing like this, two left, and one bulb is very rotten. So I'm gonna update to you guys in the next episode, and I see you very soon. Thank you. Sorry about that, somebody car driving, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Subscribe if you're new to our channel. I really appreciate you for supporting us and all our YT friends and family friends. Thank you so much, guys, for your loving support. It really means a lot to us. From the bottom of our heart, we'll do the same to you too, guys. So comment down below. Make sure you do the good thing and the right thing, and we'll do the same to you. We'll give you the return love support. Yeah. If you want to learn more, yeah, you watch it from beginning to the end. That's how I do with my woodstock, and I'm really hoping no more rotten after this. And this one is guaranteed it's gonna be really nice for this coco core. Less of this now and more coco core. That's my media that I use anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Now after this, I'm going to give them squirt water from my water bottle, and some few only here in the top, so it's not super wet. And I guess I'm gonna give him water again in the next few days, as long as dry. Actually, guys, I give you tips. It's better dry your soil media than very wet, especially in the winter season. It's better really dry. I noticed that in my flower plants, not only in my flowers plants, even the edible seeds or seedlings or edible plants that I do, if you water them in too much in the winter, they're gonna end up die. So it's better drier than very wet, because unless you got a greenhouse, if you got greenhouse, it's even better too. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. I'll update you to this for sure, what's happening with this hyacinth woodstock after this. Looking after, probably by the time you do that, by the time I'm updated, probably the flower is come out for this one. I'm not sure about this, probably this one as well. She's thriving, and I'm happy for that, because it's good. So make sure I don't water them too much, just here in the corner, actually just gonna here in the corner, because the roots, I noticed the roots is stuck in the corner of this terracotta pots. So yeah, they love that. So by the time you water them, the only thing you really water them and this suck a lot of water is the roots. So you water them in each corner here, not directly here, not in because they are like the orchids, guys. So any sensitive plants, if you put in water here in the main ground, they're gonna rot. The bulbs are gonna rot away from you. So I don't do that. don't ever do that as well. Just in the corner, once they have roots, make sure you water him with the spray bottle. That's it. I noticed that I'm thriving like that. I don't know about you. I hope you do the same too. Have a great day, guys. Happy gardening in Australia and happy watching, and hope to see you very soon. Give me also the tips or the comment down below if what did you do with your hyacinth, if you got hyacinth woodstock, like you're in Australia, if you have hyacinth woodstock, if you're taking care of them, how did you do? Anyway, this is my tips, personal experience from my plants that I shared to the world. See you next time, guys. Happy gardening, and I hope you enjoy the show. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you like this video, follow us along to more tips and guide for how to do the planting edible plants or any kind of beautiful flowers like this one. They are really nice perfume, and I can't wait for this to bloom for me. Cheers, guys. Here is the hyacinth woodstock. Have a great day. See you. Bye. Tak sa make it, everybody. Tak. Bye. Ciao, everyone. Have a great day. And kamustas to all. See ya. Bye.